Your basement could be one bad rainstorm away from becoming the nastiest swimming pool in the neighborhood. When heavy rain overwhelms the sewer system, wastewater can back up toward your house. A backwater valve is designed to help prevent that sewage from coming back into your home. Because replacing drywall and throwing out everything you own is a lot more expensive than preventing the problem in the first place. Protect your basement before Mother Nature decides to renovate it for you. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check it out.
$7.13 3/4.